Hi guys, this is your friend Junaid and welcome to my channel called Accounting with Common Sense. Today we are going to learn about accounting equation. Often when we hear about accounting equation, we think to ourselves as to what it is and what does it mean. So accounting equation goes like this. Assets are always going to be equal to liabilities and owner's equity. Before we further talk about them, let's try to quickly understand as to what do we mean by them. What do we mean by asset? What do we mean by liability? And what do we mean by owner's equity? So asset is basically something we own, we buy, or we purchase. Yeah. Liabilities, let's just call it loan. Basically something we owe. And this is basically our own cash. So these little explanations are just purely to briefly tell you as to what these three are. Okay. Obviously you can go ahead and look at their proper definitions later. Now, what we are trying to tell here is that our assets are equal to liabilities plus owner equity. Okay. There are three scenarios based on which we could say that we could purchase or buy the assets. So for example, in our scenario number one, we are going to purchase an asset worth 1,000 and we did not take any loan, but instead we used our own cash, right? Even in our daily life as well, that is what is happening. If we are going to buy ourselves lunch or we are going for a shopping, then whatever we buy would always be equal to, let's say, our own cash, because that's how we'll be paying it. Now, second scenario, while buying assets, could be that asset would be equal to or will be acquired by drawing down loans, okay, and not by using our cash, right? And scenario number three could be that this asset, we bought it with a bit of loan and a bit of our own money. All right. 0 plus 1,000 is 1,000. 1,000 plus 0 is 1,000. 300 plus 700 is also 1,000. So by looking at all these three scenarios, can I say that assets are going to be equal to liabilities plus owner's equity? Now I hope you do know what accounting equation is at this stage. Now when we are talking about accounting equation, we're also talking about at the very same time something called balance sheet. So what is balance sheet? I will talk about it in our next video with more detail. But for now, balance sheet is also something. It's a statement of financials basically, in which we are literally talking about assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. And in balance sheet, you would also be seeing that assets would always be equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So when we are talking about accounting equation, at the same time, we are literally talking about balance sheet as well. So I hope this video was very helpful, and now you are fully aware of accounting equation and you are never going to forget accounting equation ever again. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends who are studying accounting. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification about my future videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.